Alright, we're here. This is a post vacuum video with the Bissell Powerforce bag. So what happened was they had us clean this before they had a house kept because they were expecting someone to move in the next morning, and then the move-in got delayed. So they decided to have a house kept, and nobody vacuumed it, so they just go ahead and pay us to come and just do a vacuuming job. So the carpet's already been cleaned, and it actually was cleaned like about a week ago. So when we cleaned this carpet, we remarked that it was not vacuumed before we arrived. So this is the first time it's actually been vacuumed. Yeah, a lot of people love the Bissell Powerforce, this bag model. It's a really popular vacuum.
We love it ourselves.
I'm not going to put a link in the video description. It's a Walmart exclusive, so if you want one, just go to Walmart. They're about $50 unless you find it on sale, which it frequently is. And you can buy the Febreze bags that they sell there. Now, Backlab, if any of you subscribe to his channel, he did a test on the bags and was actually very impressed with them. So the bags aren't as cheap as you think. So just get the Febreze bags that they sell at Walmart for this vacuum, and they work fine. But since this has never been vacuumed, we're going to go over this from two directions. Remove the cord. So when you have a big empty room like this, it's a good time to be able to make some overlapping passes and go from a couple different directions, because once you start, the more you go over, the more you open up the carpet fiber, and the more you're going to release any trapped dirt. Now, since we did this with a steamer, it's going to loosen a lot of that embedded stuff, because that steam hits that stuff and just breaks it apart. So it's if it hasn't been walked on too much, all that stuff's still loose and ready to be picked up. There's going to be one more room to vacuum. When we finish in here, we'll go do it too.
Yay!
So stay tuned for that. Yeah, and if you like this Bissell vacuum, make sure and comment, because a lot of people love them. I'm sure there's a lot of people that hate them too, but I think for just one of Bissell's most popular vacuums, I would think.
We love ours.
Yeah, it's a great vacuum.
It's a great vacuum.
Now there are some carpets it locks down on and you can't hardly push it, but most carpets is fine.
That's not a big deal.
So you want to make sure and test it. If you take it home and it's hard to push, probably just take it back and get your money back because it's not going to work good for your house. But it could be a bit of a workout to use if you happen to have the type of carpet it doesn't really like. Now we take the bag inside, we take that out when we're finished, and we seal it up in a Ziploc bag, just in case we pick up some fleas or bed bugs or anything like that. We don't take that vacuum in our house with the bag installed in it. If we want to use it around our own home for anything, we'll put a new bag in and use that, but we'll take it back out and we'll put the old bag in. We're filling it up with all sorts of debris, and it doesn't smell very good at all, I might add.
No.
Because it gets sealed up and it's got a bunch of junk in it. You ready to go to the next room?
Yeah.
Okay. While he's doing that, I'll walk on over. He should be alone presently. There it is.
And to you who might be wondering, since they didn't pay us the vacuum when we came out here the first time, they want to do this on the cheap. They're paying now.
Well, yeah, we charge.
We don't do nothing for free.
We're charging it. I don't know
Charging.
if that's going to be long enough.
Yeah.
We have an extension cord we use with this, and we didn't bring it because we're only doing 2 rooms. So hopefully we don't hit the limit of the cord.
We'll be all right, I'm sure.
Well, we hate having to switch outlets.
Yeah, if we can help it.
Now this is a good time to point out something that Jay's doing. There's nothing wrong with it, but what he's doing, he's working towards his plug-in. And you'll see that he's going to have to fight with that cord a few times.
I'm going to put it in the bathroom.
Yeah, he's going to have to fight with that cord a few times. What's easier is if you plug in there, you start there and work your way that way. That way your cord isn't in your way as much. You know, of course, we're talking about in perfect conditions you can do that. A lot of times you're just stuck, but if you don't like fighting with your cords, then always plug it in and work from the outlet out. It's a lot easier.
We're really only doing this video because there's some of you guys that really like to see these vacuum videos, so we put them up just to be cool to people.
Yeah, a lot of people love this vacuum cleaner and they like to see it being used.
And they just like to see vacuuming.
It's a neat vacuum cleaner. What we like about it is if we accidentally get it torn up on a bad job, it's only $50 down the drain.
Yeah.
And we can replace it pretty easily, so that makes it a great vacuum for us. So it does take us a little while to vacuum a room because we try to go from multiple directions. You can do it a lot faster if you're just doing a quick surface vacuum, but we're trying to get a little more out.
When we're done, we're going to take the hose off and edge thing. That's what we charge for. If we were just going to do a 5-minute vacuum, we'd do it for free. But we don't do those cheap vacuums.
Speaking of which, this vacuum does edge clean pretty good.
It edge cleans real good.
Yeah. A lot of vacuums you have so much debris left along the sides that you have to go along with the nozzle and pick them up. And this thing actually, when you're running along the wall, does a really good job of picking up the debris. So that's a nice feature. Now we don't go multiple directions in closets because you can't do it. And in these closets, if you try to go behind the door, you can't even maneuver because there's not enough room to stand in there.
Nope.
At least for people our size. So.
Well, the closets aren't that dirty, so 1/10 of the closet is usually reasonable.
Yeah, you could do it if you want to.
So come in close and take a look at these lines. People want to see the vacuum line.
Yeah, hold on.
Come in close and see this. This is like, the brush roll does a really good job. For people that like vacuums, this is probably the best part of the video.
Well, except for the shadows you're casting, but that's okay.
That's alright.
So even though we don't sell these ourselves on Amazon, you can go to Walmart and get them. We don't make any money off of that. So when I'm telling everybody out there, I recommend you buy one of these and have it for a backup vacuum at the very least. Or in case you have to go like clean up a relative's house or something and you want something that you aren't too worried about tearing up because it didn't cost you a lot of money. And it may be your only vacuum. If it works good on your carpets, it's all you need. Just keep vacuuming regularly.
Yeah, it's a pretty good machine.
You already gone that direction.
I guess I was so excited I couldn't get enough.
Did you go all the way to the door in that direction?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure I read? Well, I guess I did that right. Yeah, I did first.
Okay.
Little state of confusion.
Sometimes you can make a mistake. It happens.
Oh, we're going to turn this off. We're not going to edge clean on video. Nobody.
No, we still got to do that, but it's too awkward to film that.
My brother usually does the edge cleaning.
Yeah, I'll do that in a second.
I'm actually I don't do it good. I'm real fast at it.
So anyway, let's see. So that's two rooms vacuumed. And that's all there is to that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.